Hi everybody, it's Professor Lipscomb here, and I want to give you some quick instruction on using the iPhone's Do Not Disturb feature to allow for maximum concentration in class. So the very first thing I'm going to do is just take my finger and I'm going to swipe from the upper right hand corner of the phone. There we see our control panel, which as you can see from the bottom right, I'm already recording this tutorial using that feature. But I'm going to go up to the upper left and I'm going to hit the moon. And that's going to activate Do Not Disturb, but that's not all I need to do. So the next thing I want to do back on my home screen is just put my finger in the screen and drag down, and I want to get into the Settings app. As you can see, it's already up here, but I'm going to go ahead and type in SET. There you can see Settings. So if I go into here, I'm going to go down about to the bottom of this screen where it says Do Not Disturb. So this is the specific Do Not Disturb settings that will be in play. As you can see, I already turned Do Not Disturb on. So now it's off, now it's back on again. I'm not going to schedule anything. I'm going to go down to where it says Silence. I'm going to leave it always silent. I'm going to allow calls, not from everyone, I'm going to allow calls from no one. And then this is an important thing, repeated calls. I'm going to make sure that repeated calls is on. What this means is that if somebody calls twice within 3 minutes, that the phone will ring and it will override the Do Not Disturb. So that way, if there's an emergency situation or somebody really needs to get in touch with you, the call will come through. Otherwise, it will go to your voice message. This is a way that you can activate it while driving over here where it says activate manually, or you can do it automatically when you're driving. I like to have it activated manually. That way it won't turn itself on when I'm riding in the car with someone else. And finally, you can deal at the very bottom with auto reply. So this is the way that you can set things up to make it so that you won't be bothered in the middle of doing something important where you need full concentration.